Ang mga alaala ng namayapang batikang aktor na si Ronaldo Valdez, aalahanin at sasariwain ng kanyang anak na si Jano Gibbs. Paunawa mga kapuso, sensitibo ang paksa na ito kaya maging maingat sa mga bibitawan nating komento. Ayon sa kanya, we saw him in that state, in that horrible state. This is especially hard for me and for my family. I've been taking care of him. Araw-araw magkasama kami. Very sweet and very affectionate siyang tatay. Ang daddy ko baliktad. Siya yung dramatic actor on screen pero sa set, siya yung life of the party. He was also the comedian of the family. Ang wish ko lang is that I could have said goodbye properly. I stayed with him for a good 10 to 15 minutes. Since he was still breathing, I was talking to him. I was kissing him. I was saying I love you, I hope you're okay. You will be okay. But I wish I got to say it, those things, nang conscious pa siya. To the children, please spend more time with your parents, love your parents. You'll never know when they go. Ito ang mga katagang iniwan o binigay ni Mr. Jano Gibbs. Ang one-on-one interview ni Jessica Soho kay Jano Gibbs, eksklusibo nating mapapakinggan at mapapanood ngayong linggo ng gabi sa programang Kapuso Mo, Jessica Soho.